Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, December 11, 2023, and today we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.42. Now, let's delve into the performance of this stock during that time period. Apple has experienced a 6.25% increase in its stock value. This means that on average, it has yielded a daily return of 0.26% since being classified as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is experiencing a strong upward trend. However, this could present a selling opportunity for short-term traders as the stock is expected to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. If the stock breaks the top trend line at $196.05, it could indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 12.06% change in the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 2.84% and 13.73%. On a 12-month basis, the trend indicates a 32.39% change. This implies a potential return between 18.87% and 48.12%. After a year, the stock could be priced between $229.63 and $286.13. Our latest update for Apple brings some important news. The stock has been downgraded to a buy candidate and the technical forecast looks weaker. On the last trading day, which was Monday, December 11, 2023, the Apple stock price experienced a decline of -1.29%, dropping from $195.71 to $193.18. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $191.43 and a high of $193.49, representing a 1.08% variation. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 1.79%, showing a positive trend. The trading volume on the last day increased by 9 million shares, but the prices were falling. This could be seen as an early warning sign, indicating potential increased risks in the coming days. In total, approximately 58 million shares were bought and sold, with a value of around $11.25 billion. Let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price during this period was $198.22, while the lowest was $124.17. Currently, the price is 2.54% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $5.04. Furthermore, it is 15.37% below the all-time high, which occurred on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. These numbers provide valuable insight into the current state of Apple's stock. Stay tuned for more updates on this topic. Analyst ratings. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple a rating of outperform with a recommended action to hold. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a rating of sector weight with a recommended action to hold. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James gave Apple a rating of outperform with a recommended action to hold. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI gave Apple a rating of outperform with a recommended action to hold. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Barclays gave Apple a rating of equal weight with a recommended action to hold. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They have also rated the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. let's take a look at the signals for Apple's stock. Today, there are mixed signals in the stock. On Friday, December 8, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, causing the stock to fall by -1.29%. It's expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume rose as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to keep a close eye on the stock's performance. On a positive note, Apple's stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Furthermore, the relation between the two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In terms of support levels, corrections down will find some support at $192.80 and $184.19. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Today, we're going to explore some interesting signals in the stock market. One signal to pay attention to is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is currently showing a sell signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal suggested a buy 2 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 28 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we can see that the short-term moving average gave a buy signal 28 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 25 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 13 days ago. If you're interested in exploring more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to support levels, Apple has 2 key levels to watch out for. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $176.30 and $175.01. These levels are important because if the stock breaks the first support level, it may fall further to the next one. However, it's worth noting that Apple tends to have controlled movements and good liquidity, which means that the risk associated with this stock is considered low. In fact, the stock only moved $2.06 between its high and low points today, representing a 1.08% change. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.32%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Apple, let's begin by discussing some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is crucial as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio is within a relatively normal range, which is often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.08. It's important to keep a close eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $193.42. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already have the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $176.30. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L., conducted an insider buy of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -22.900. Overall, insiders purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $186.59, which represents a decrease of 3.41%. With its low daily movements, this stock offers a low-risk investment opportunity. We have also identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found just 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are positive short-term signals and a generally good trend for Apple stock. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. When looking at the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, December 12th, we anticipate Apple to open down $0.480 and start trading at $192.70. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead.